Okay, let's go ahead. The idea now everyone knows how to define their audience. Now, the idea you got it, how to make content calendars, how to build on it. Now, the three type, or I would say there are four type of content which you can create for social media. The first type of content is only text. You can write a simple text. Second is an image. You can convert your content into a graphic representation and make it attractive. Third is video. You go go ahead with one step more and create an attractive video. Fourth is the GIF that you create GIF so that it's not taking too much time and it's interactive as well. So all these four type of content you can share with your audience. On these four type of content, the most attraction will depend upon the content type, will depend on the content. But in general, if the content is same in all four of them, then generally you will see the most attraction, the major attraction will be on the video. Second is GIF. Okay. Third is the images, and fourth is the text. Along with that, you can also share links as well. This is not a content type, but yes, sometimes we directly share links with text, sometimes with images also. Okay, that is also a type, but not exactly. You are not creating content specifically for social media, but yes, that also counts. So that link counts the least one. Okay, and in terms of reach of all these four or five content types, is in the same way, the way I have told you. The maximum reach you will find of videos. The next would be GIFs. Third would be the images. Uh, Fourth would be the text, and fifth is the link. Okay, if you are sharing the minimum, you will get the very limited reach only. So that is what the case is. So whenever you are creating content, keep that metrics in mind and create content according to that. Is that clear to everyone how what type of content to create? Okay. Keep one thing in mind. In generally in a month, if I talk about frequency of the content, generally you should maintain one post a day kind of frequency uh, on social media. But the more content you create, the more people will be attracted to you. Okay, the more people will engage with you. Okay, it's not that you don't have to create. A lot of people you have heard saying that you can't over popular your content, you can't write a lot of content. This is untrue, 100% untrue. The more you content you create, the more reach you will get. Like if I take the example of this website, of this Facebook page, look at this. The last content they created 12 hours ago, then 13 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 16 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 20 hours ago. Okay, if it can go down. Okay, 22 hours ago, and what goes on another day. So approximately 10 pieces of content. This is not with them. It's with every good content creation site. This is the case. Like Men's XP, I don't know how many of you have heard of it, but they are again great content creators. You can't be creating that huge content. Like look at this: 12 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 15, 16. Okay. Then 17, 18, 19, 19, 20. 20, so almost 20, 25 pieces of content. So the more you content you create, the more engagement you will get. Okay. It's not true for only for this. If you look at State Bank of India, also, this is true for every page which wants to create engagement for them. Okay. They have a older post like 17 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 23 hours ago. Okay, repost. So there is no limit to it. A lot of people say that what should be my frequency? The more interesting content you can produce, the maximum you can produce it. There is no limitation on it. The more you produce, the more it will be the reach and the more engagement you will get. And ultimately, the objective will be fulfilled by that only. Okay. Before I go ahead, Sudhanshu has a question. Let me take that. How do people get verified on Facebook and Insta? The one with the blue tick. Okay. The one with the blue tick generally that is given to the celebrities who get popular in who get a lot of views, that they get generally the blue tick. Okay. And those who are producing content for a very long time. Okay, it's not just 1 month, 2 months content, and their organizations are very popular. They get these blue ticks. Okay, but there is another trick. What generally, which is like, which can go wrong as well with the brands. But we what we have done in the past is we have created 50 different the same page with let's say loanbroker.in. I have created a page, Facebook page, and I'm getting good engagement. Start boosting it initially for 1 month, spend 30, 40,000 rupees on it, and start getting engagements around it and create interesting stuff. Okay, and then from 50 to 100 different email IDs, I created some Facebook pages which has very similar name to loanbroker.in. Okay, very similar name with not dot into it, with dot, with hyphen. Okay, and then start posting content from that. Okay, a different piece of content. Then from the main page, from the main page, I will go and report it to facebook.com or instagram.com and say that these are my fake pages. Okay, not these are my fake pages. These are the fake pages which are destroying my brand image. Can you verify it? This is my website. This is my legal registration documents and all, and can you suspend these other pages as well? So generally, in most of the cases, we got the blue tick, and the overall expense to get that blue tick is around content creation is one part, but around a lakh rupee generally goes into it, promotion and all, creating these fake IDs, posting content and all. Okay. Influencers get it because they are producing a lot of content and they get popular. Okay. The more content you produce, the engagement levels are really high. Generally, an engagement, what we say is around 100 million views if you get on your page. Generally, your account will be get verified by Facebook, because you will write to Facebook that I am getting this and this. I feel that it should be verified. Okay, that is how it gets verified. Is that answers your question, Sudhanshu? Okay, I was on a question. Uh, I forgot completely. I believe I was on it. The frequency. The more content you post, the more engagement you get. The content should be engaging. I'm not saying write humorous content, but you can write lot of stuff. which is in your interest area as well as the user interest area. Okay, like motivational content, the different type of content talking about offers, dining, some luxury homes if you are in luxury homes. So you can talk about a lot of stuff. Okay, and if you think you are diluting your objective of it, no, you are not diluting the objective of that page. The page objective is to get maximum reach to the brand, and you are getting it. Okay, so a lot of people will suggest you what you are posting. This is not up to the mark. This destroys brand image. Nothing destroys brand images. Okay, the brand image is what you create. What do you want the brand to be? Okay, it's about that. Yes, certain things you have to keep in mind, that nothing against anyone, any religion, any individual, gender. These kind of stuff should be saved out. You should not uh, get yourself engaged with that kind of stuff. That helps. Okay. The next thing over here is, after you create content calendars, you start posting it. Creating content is always a challenge. Okay, for creating content, you can, like uh, for primarily image creation, you can use Canva.com. It has free, it has paid version as well. And if you want to edit, okay, something similar to Photoshop, but you don't have a skill set, then you can use Pixlr. Okay, guys, note it down, these tools which I'm telling you, and put it in the group. Okay, so that those who are not attending it can see that as well, and for your memory as well. On a single, you don't have to go in recordings again and again to check it out. Okay, so whatever you learn, always try to make notes and put it in the group so that everyone is just add couple of things to it, because everyone can't remember everything. So that will add value to it. Okay, then is Pixlr, from which you can do basic editing. Then this tool, so we will practice it in the video section how to make it. So this is a video creation tool which you can use to create animated videos. Okay, for GIF, like I have to use Photoshop, but there are platforms through which you can convert videos into small GIFs as well. That website is jiffy.com, and download and you can upload and post it. Okay, and for free images, royalty free images, you can use freepik.com. From here you can take a lot of royalty free images, like let's say I want to take organic farming, organic vegetable. Okay, although, so you will get royalty free images. Okay, you can, in if you can download it from here, and it's free. Oh, only free. Okay, so it will show you all the free images. So you can use these images, download it and use it. Go on canva.com, upload this image and put your brand logo in it. Okay, even you can do it on Paint as well, but you can do it over there as well, Pixlr as well, and a fantastic post would be ready for you. Okay, look at this. In this image, you can replace the logo. It is a good image. Okay, so that all thing you can do over, like you will get hundreds and hundreds of free images. Okay.